Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a table to text spreadsheet by tabs in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a table with some text and data. Now we want to convert this table to text. Firstly, select the table and select whole cell, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the table design menu and click the borders drop down menu, and we can see here many borders. Now we select the no borders option and click outside of the table. Now we can see here not available the table borders. Now we want to make sure this text have not table. Go to the file menu, then click the print option and check the print preview, and we can see here not available the table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.